Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. All the words, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. You ain't shit, you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you, 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 but I want you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I everybody's like he's no item, please don't like him, he don't wife him, he more nice him. I never listen though, I should've figured though, all the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. And to tell you the truth, wish we never did it, 'cause I usually do stick to the business, but you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Damn baby, my mind's blown. We forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we can build through different types of shit. You was really the realest when you be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed once you got all that you wanted. Nothing was ever the same. And though I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I still want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you.
Oh yeah. Yeah. The gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend and make your USDON. I get too crazy, got a little baddie now. We stay good friends, we get too ready. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making that way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Ready up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-eyed. know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just switched the city with the G-block stainers. And we got adopted by some for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club.
Enjoy the show. So we in Houston celebrating. We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know the Vegas? Now we in Houston. We're definitely going down.
First time in a long time. Hurting, deep inside. First time in a long time. Hurting, deep. Trust who? Watching my back even when I'm in the mood. Oh, trust who? Doing my thing, but I'm kinda come clean. I like you. I wanna make you feel the weight off your shoulders too. I'll take it. Just tell me you can't be that crazy. Even if it isn't crazy, baby, I'll take it. I'll hold you. I know you're not an angel, not you. Oh, save it. Don't waste your time. 'Cause I'm wavy and I'm saying things that I don't mean, that I do mean, and I don't want you to miss me. 'Cause there's no way you're sorry and you're crying and you say things that I do believe, that I don't even want you. You get in my mind. I'm supposed to be in your mind for the first time in a long time. First time in a long time. Hurting deeply inside. First time in a long time. Hurting deeply. Yeah. Hey. Hurting deeply inside. Trust. Trust who? Trust me and I can set you free. If your man came straight to me, you a real MVP. Ride dirty like Pepsi. You a real 10-speed freak. You was everything to me. You was everything to me. I love. Why you keep that look for me? Left me down on bended knee. When I soak in the Maybach, the only time that ever make you take a backseat. Why you do that look to me? When you know that we was meant to be. Why'd you keep those things from me, my love? I've given you enough time. Hurting deeply inside. Trust.
So I'm just going to make sure my tracks are covered in the back, straighten it, do my makeup, finish the video, and get it done. Because I'm a boss. And I'm a baddie. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm excited because I just feel like it already looks so cute. It's very tea. I love big baby hairs, y'all. I love big baby hairs. I did a video a couple days ago. Well, I probably didn't upload it a couple days ago, but I created the video a couple days ago, and I really didn't like it because I cut my baby hairs way too short, so I would never make that mistake again. Like, I like them long and big and obnoxious, and that's just what I like. I get my Babyliss flat iron and heat that up, straighten my hair really quick, and then we'll go to the final thoughts.
Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one that seemed my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam?
All right, you guys, I just wanted to quickly come on here and wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to get some coins off of your purchase buying this beautiful wig, go ahead and check out my description box or on the screen. It might be there, it might not. But y'all, I absolutely love how this hair turned out. It's very sleek, it's very slick. It wasn't the style that I originally thought I was gonna have, but it came out really beautiful. HD lace on it, and yeah, it's high quality. I felt like it was a 13x6. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm gonna put the specs up on the screen, but if it was a 13x4, it was a big 13x4. So I definitely loved that. Everything was pretty much a dream. Like always, I had to cut little slits by my ears so that it could fit on my head because I got a big head. But other than that, love the wig, love how it came out. And I'm about to go out and I'm giving vibes. So if you guys want to purchase this wig, everything will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30